Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard, your social magazine. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Flipboard and we click. Here in this page of app info we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.